Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready? Make sure your iPhone 14 Pro has iOS up to date, enough battery, and free storage. Open the camera app and switch immediately to cinematic mode. This is where depth tracking lives. Tap the subject to set focus and drag exposure if the image is too bright or dark. This helps the algorithm decide depth. Once done, lock orientation and frame your shot with foreground and background spaces because cinematic needs separation to create convincing rack focus effects. Now set frame rate and depth intensity before you hit record. Choose 24 FPS for filmic motion, 30 for smoother action, or 60 if you need crisp motion. Tap the aperture control to select a depth strength. Lower F numbers increase background blur, while higher ones keep more detail. This directly affects subject separation. Once chosen, pick the appropriate lens and maintain roughly 1 to 3 meters between camera and subject. Press record, move deliberately, and let the phone's subject tracking build consistent depth transitions. Finish your take and immediately review the clip in Photos. You can tap to change focus points and make manual rack focus edits. This is how you perfect timing. When exporting, keep the depth information by using compatible formats or AirDrop to a Mac. Otherwise, the effect may render flat. If the focus behaves poorly, troubleshoot. Increase subject distance, boost light, avoid cluttered backgrounds, or lock the focus before recording. These fixes stabilize tracking and give you reliable cinematic results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.